Big news from GitHub. Copilot is now available with a free tier, making AI pair programming accessible to everyone. Let me show you how to get started and what you can build with it. In Visual Studio Code, just click the Copilot icon at the top of your screen and hit the Use Copilot for Free button. Sign in to GitHub, allow Visual Studio Code to connect, and you're ready to go. The free tier gives you 2000 monthly code completions and 50 chat messages.
Let's dive into something fun, building Conway's Game of Life using Copilot. We'll use Claude 3.5 Sonnet, one of the available models in the free tier. When working with Copilot, being specific helps get better results. I'll request a responsive single-file implementation with specific cell sizes. Pro tip: check out gh.io/copilot/prompt tips for more guidance on crafting effective prompts. Nobody writes perfect code on the first try. Let's improve our implementation by updating the color scheme to match GitHub's contribution graph, slowing down the generation speed, breaking the code into separate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Copilot Edits makes this process seamless, allowing us to make changes across multiple files simultaneously. Just describe what you want in natural language, review the suggested changes, and accept them. The free tier includes some powerful features: inline chat with / commands like doc and explain, multi-file editing capabilities, project-wide context awareness, terminal assistance. Let's use these to add documentation and create a deployment workflow for our game of life. We'll finish by deploying our game to GitHub pages using a workflow that Copilot helps us create. This showcases how Copilot can assist with every aspect of development, from initial coding to deployment. With GitHub recently hitting 150 million developers worldwide, there's never been a better time to try Copilot. Get started for free at gh.io/copilot and join the growing community of AI-assisted developers. Want to see the Game of Life implementation? Check out gh.io/gameoflife to try it yourself.